What's up guys, welcome to the internet Moola. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable Touch ID in your Macbook Pro M4 Max. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing, click on the settings icon or system settings and open up the settings. Once you do that, look for Touch ID and password. After that, click add fingerprint like this and then start placing your finger on the Touch ID button. So I'm gonna start now like this and keep touching the button. Keep going like this to capture the edges of your fingerprint. And as you guys can see now, Touch ID is ready. Your fingerprint can be used to unlock your Mac. So once you do that, you should be good. For this one, it should be enabled. Use Touch ID to unlock your Mac. Use Touch ID for Apple Pay. Use Touch ID if you want to purchase something in iTunes or App Store. So it's fine. You can disable this one or enable this one. Use Touch ID for autofill and passwords. Enable this one, make sure it's enabled. Use Touch ID for fast user switching, make sure it's enabled. And that's it. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Don't forget to comment if you like this video. If you have any issues, make sure you let us know and visit our official website, theinternetmoola.com. Thank you guys again. See you guys on the next video.